Well, hello, I'm going to make a bread pudding. So I'm going to add a little twist to it. I'm going to add some not roughly chopped raisins and macadamia nuts, quarter cup, which would be equal to a quarter cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 2 eggs, and quarter teaspoon of vanilla, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt and nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So my sugar and spices are in here, and I also have a cup and a half of milk. So I'm going to pour all these ingredients in and whip it up. The 2 eggs. There you go. Always wash my hands after I break eggs. And whisk it all together. Get those eggs broken down. And there's the sugar. Wow. It's going to be like a custard. Make sure that's all whisked together. In goes the coconut. In goes the raisins and macadamia nuts. And I'm going to pour this over the bread and let it sit for 30 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to pop it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes in a water bath. As you can see, this has got water in this pan. It's sitting in water. That's what they call a water bath. And so I'm going to let this sit and soak on this, and I'll get back to you. I'm going to pour it right on there. Okay, you can watch me pour this on. Make sure everything's combined well. Over it goes. All over this bread. And what this is, the bread pudding part, is I've got some stale bread. It's not hard. It's still slightly soft. So we're going to press this mixture over these pieces of bread. It's homemade bread my husband made that is now a little bit too dry to make a sandwich out of. So that's what we got going on here. So that's what it looks like. It's going to go in the oven, 350, for half an hour. And after this soaks with the pieced up dried bread, well, soft, not 100% hard dry, but getting close to that, stale, I guess. And the macadamia nuts, the raisins, the milk, the sugar, and the one thing, and of course a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, which I forgot. I'll just swirl that in. There we go. Because this has to sit for 30 minutes, so don't forget your vanilla. And in it goes. Mix that around. Make sure that everything gets wet and coated. And there we go. And then it's going to sit and soak. And we'll be back when it's done. So here it is in the oven. It's almost done. The time is going to go off in a couple seconds. I'm going to check it with a knife, make sure that the knife slides in and out easy like a custard would. And then I'm going to put it on the counter until it's for another hour until it's not really hot. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator until dinner, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So here it is. It's all done. Nice and ready to go. See, you can see it's firm. So take a spoon, take a little bit out, and just see what it's like. Nice consistency. There you have it. There it is. The bread soaked up all that goodness. And there's the coconut. And nice brown. You can see the cinnamon and the coconut and the nuts. Well, I hope you try it. It's a nice way to use up some bread that's not hard as a rock, but definitely still kind of stale, but enough to soak up the liquid. Look at that. That's great. All right, well, thanks for watching. There's some raisins over there too.